I throwing up the rate and I go. I keep me the low when I be used to. It's losing.
Showing love for us 7 days to Juneteenth. We gon' celebrate, we not gon' hesitate. Showing love for us 7 days to Juneteenth. 6 days leading up to the 7th-day finale. Fun, food, and community, bring the whole family. For 7 days to Juneteenth, we gon' celebrate, we not gon' hesitate. Showing love for us 7 days to Juneteenth.
What divides us on the outside and build foundations of trust between us. We are better together than not. Stop hating, we don't need nobody else, we can make it. Stop black on black hate and do away with the crime. For goodness sake, in the sake of the ancestors, now's the time. Support black businesses like we embrace the white bread. We had a black Wall Street, let's have it again. Love for us, where is it? All we do is fight and fuss, won't dead it. Let's rally around the love and leave what divides us on the outside and build foundations of trust between us, we us, until we change.
That we for us.
Show love to the people. Come on, let's celebrate. Show love from the north, south, east, and west. No hate. Black excellence is on the rise. Come on and take the ride. Show love to the people. Show love for us. Show learn each other, having trust and respect, being ever supportive of our unique and creative ideas. On each other we place our bet. We've been programmed across the board to hate those who look like us, and to only love whiteness, and only whiteness we should trust. We got work to do on us, let's do it, starting right now today. United we stand, together we profit. Show let's have a heart-to-heart and try to find some common ground. Whatever the issue is, let's take the time, sit down and talk it out. Let's have a heart-to-heart and find the love for us. First of all, let me say that I apologize for my part. I never meant to hurt the relationship. Can we make a new start? It makes no sense for two black people to carry on in this way. Let's squash the beef, reset, and work it out today. I forgive the wrong and I ask forgiveness too. Let's make amends, reestablish the trust, and once again be true. Let's have a heart-to-heart and try to find some once it's spent, we can't get it back. Make good use of the time, value the time of others, stand on this fact. Time, currency. currency. There is no time to waste. Sacrifice some time to the benefit of others, where the time currency yields grace. When mankind received the breath of life and became a living soul, time was not a factor as long as his obedience would hold. But the day would come when he disobeyed and time began running out, and the lifespan of man had an end and a day to go down to the grave beyond a shadow of doubt. Fair exchange is no robbery. Be wise when spending time. Make every second count indeed. Word and actions, even the thoughts of your mind. Time currency, spend it wisely. For once it's spent, we can't get it back. Oh yeah, yeah. We celebrate 'cause we're worth it. We have value way beyond measure. We celebrate 'cause we're about it. No matter what they say, we're a national treasure. We are the heartbeat and the main artery of humanity. We celebrate 'cause we're powerful and hated by all, but we rise above the insanity. On June 19th, 1865, during the American Civil War, Union General Gordon popped up in Texas. Slaves ain't slaves no more. The newly freed slaves rejoice. Now the celebration's underway. And from that day to this one, every year we celebrate. Every chance we get to love on our own, we take it. Celebrating our heritage and rich history, we embrace it. Called out and chosen like this got here first. The Lord's anointed children, blessed beyond worth. God put his hands directly in the dirt, and he created what whiteness calls the black man. In God's own image and likeness, he created them, male and female with melanin powered by the sun. The Bible is about the chosen ones of God, from the grace placed upon Noah to the power in Moses' rod, from David the king, a man after God's own heart, to wisdom of his son King Solomon, the unsmart. No matter how light they make the Savior look, he's described much differently within the pages of the book. Called out and chosen like this guy here first. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right is right. Stand up and fight for our right to love and support us. Hand in hand, we band together against hatred and injustice. An eye for an eye, a life for a life. We got justice in our sight. The days of your oppression and mistreatment are done, because right, my brother, is right, 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 right. How much more will we take? How many more black bodies will be captured with no escape? How many more black teens will be hunted down and shot just for being black and standing in the wrong spot? We come in peace if you're peaceful, but don't expect us to be if we're met with your hate. Why are we required to be peaceful while you're spitting in our face? Right is right, stand up and fight for our right to love and support us. Hand in hand. Ooh. Yeah. Black dollars everywhere. I see them here, I see them there. Hundreds, thousands, billion, building up every community on earth. Except the black community, I see not one but black currency exchange going out, never end. There's no trust
just among us, so therefore we'll never win. Black dollars pay taxes to give whiteness badges and guns, to protect and serve the community, but they kill our black sons. They see our children as a threat, so they're not treated nice. They see men Park being a kid, he shot and killed to mirror. The black dollar paid the wages to those who hate us, but all we want is the latest and the greatest. Black dollars everywhere, I see them here, I see them there, hundreds, thousands, billions.
Guess how ought it be, ought it be, ought it be.
Until we change us, nothing will change. We'll keep wandering around the mountain, always doing the same thing. Black on black hate, selling us out for the dollars. We got too much at stake, we keep losing our babies, mothers and fathers. Until we change us, nothing will change for
My
us.
black brothers, my black sisters, it's time to come together. Get unified, get smart, and start looking out for each other. If they're killing us and we killing us, we are helping them keep us down. But if we stand up one for the other, we can push people forward and gain some ground.
We either gon' stand united